Hi guys, welcome back. Here I am in my tiny little kitchen. Well, I figure I'll bring you guys a video. Today I'm going to be making fish two different ways, bake and fry. Um, a simple pasta salad with some imitation crab meat and some green beans stir fry. Yeah, that's what I'm going to share with you. And this is a quick and easy meal, guys. So you guys can see I have my fish back here already. I keep it in cold water. So I'm going to get the one baking for the oven ready. I'm going to slice some onions. I'm going to use purple onion or light onion, however you guys want to call it. And my fish, I'm going to make it fry. I want fried fish. I was going to make fish and chips, but I'm just going to make the salad because I am hungry. Anyway, guys, let me get some progress on that and I'll come right back. All right, guys, here I got my husband's, he's eating catfish, seasoned with Italian seasoning, a little bit of Mrs. Dash, garlic powder, and some sazon, and a couple of slices of onions. I had to use yellow onions because my other onion was not good. So anyway, guys, we're gonna put this in the oven. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes because it's in the aluminum foil. So we're going to do that. Meanwhile, I have a little pot back here for my pasta. So I use elbow pasta. I'm going to season my fish, which I'm going to be using the same ingredient, Mrs. Dash Italian seasoning. And I'm going to be frying that. When I get to that point, I'm going to come back at you. And guys, you are going to need a little bit of flour for your fish. You don't want your fish to stick in your pan. I will show you that when I get to that process. So this is simple. Just make your little pouch. Just make your little pouch. Put it in your baking pan. In this situation, your cake pan. So yeah, that's it. Just put it in there, 15-20 minutes, and that's done. And of course, I will be making fresh green beans. So I'm going to put that to boil. So of course, I'm going to wash them first. And I'm going to make enough for my husband and I. Here, we just have enough for maybe 2 or 3 meals because we don't eat a lot. So I'm going to put my pasta to cook. And yeah, guys, when I get to that process, I'm going to wash this right now and clean the end like you're supposed to and put it to boil for like 10 minutes. All right, guys. This video is part of an open collaboration hosted every Sunday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah, Cabassa Home Living, and Buckeye Girls and Thing. Guys, I forgot to mention the reason why I'm using imitation crab meat is because my husband cannot eat seafood. My husband cannot eat any type of shellfish, shrimp, none of that. I believe I mentioned that to you guys before. My green beans are almost done. Make sure you have a bowl with cold water for you to place your green beans so you stop the cooking process. After that, I'm going to put them in my stir fry and I'm going to straight fry them with some mushrooms. And I'm only using 1 cup of pasta because it's just my husband and I. And here's my fish. I'm eating red snapper. So I'm going to season it. And I'm going to use a little bit of adobo Goya, which has everything on it. And then garlic. I am not going to put Italian seasoning. I'm going to put that on the flour. and a little bit of Mrs. Dash. Remember, guys, when you guys use this, you guys got to be very careful because this contains salt. So just a little bit goes a long way. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to show you, you got to put it in the flour to put it to fry for it not to stick. Okay, guys? So let me get that together. And yeah, guys, it's hot. Make sure you stay hydrated. I'm always drinking water. So yeah, guys, so my pasta is basically done. So I'm going to turn that off. And then I'm going to put also my pasta in room temperature water. So stop the cooking process. I like my pasta al dente. I don't like a soggy pasta. I can stand it. Not too hard. It has to be just right. And so is my husband. A lot of you guys know that my husband is Italian. So yeah, guys, so I'm going to do that. I believe the pasta is done. I turn it off by eye because I'm already so used to doing it. So I'm going to get that. My green beans are boiling. They look like they are basically ready. So yeah, guys, I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so you need just a teaspoon of flour because you're only making one fish. I put a little bit of Italian seasoning, as you guys can see it on it. So I season my fish. I'm just going to put my fish on both sides. So, like so. And what this is going to do is going to prevent from it to stick on your frying pan. I know a lot of you guys would prefer to do this in an air fryer, but I do not have that luxury, as you guys know. So anyways, my oil is already hot, so I'm going to place it on the oil. I'm going to clean my plates. I'm going to clean my counter, put the stuff away, and I'm going to come back at you with the end results. My green beans are done. My husband's fish is almost done, so now I'm going to show you how I do my salad. Okay, there's my fish. And now let's flip it around. And that's it. Let me put this paper towel here because I don't want to cause no damage to my counter. There. Put this away, guys. I already got my pasta getting ready. A little bit of cold water. I'm going to put my green beans in a little bit of cold water. Get my thing for my stir fry ready. I'm going to add some butter, garlic, and all that good stuff in there. So guys, let me clean my counter because you guys know I have such a little tiny kitchen. Not like my previous kitchen that I have like big kitchen. All right, guys, let me get rid of all this stuff and we'll be right back. All right, guys, here is my pasta with my crab meat, half a cup of mayonnaise with a little bit of adobo. Remember, be discreet with this because that contains salt. I put garlic and I put sazon. And that's it. That's all it is. You mix it together and you'll have your salad. Well, guys, everything is done. I'm going to plate this and I'm going to show you the end results. Guys, my husband and I, we are starving. All right, guys, let me play this. Wow. Well, guys, everything is all set. And here it is. That's my husband's plate. And that's my plate. From my family to yours, bon appetit. All right, guys. Bye-bye.